Now we take some more of our scrap pieces, and we're going to use a little scrap board, and we're going to go ahead and make a little holder for them by just putting these pieces on top like that and spacing them out so you can stack them. If you have a router and you want to route it out, you can route this out. You can do it with a table saw, but this is nice and easy and gives it a nice rustic look that I'm looking for. So take my brad nailer, line that up. We take our coaster, set our coaster up. Take our second piece, put that in there like so. Grab another piece. And there you go, you have your little holder. We'll cut the excess off. We'll sand all these edges down and clean those up. And we'll have a nice little holder to work with. We made, make a set of 4, you can make a set of 6. And like I said, you just line it up and go. Stain them, paint them, do whatever you want for the finish. I recommend, since they're coasters to hold drinks and everything, that you actually put a clear coat on, a waterproof clear coat on them. And you're ready to go and return scrap to cash. Always remember, dream, think, design, build, and learn. See you in the shop.